Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're here today with the October Ipsy Glam Bag Plus reveal and review. I just gotta say, this bag this month is super cute, dude. And then on the back it says, "You're magic." So for those of you that don't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription service, and for 25 bucks a month you get 5 full-size products sent to you. A really cool thing that they started doing a few months ago is that you get to pick 3 of your 5 beauty products. And I wish I would have thought of this sooner. Hopefully if I can figure out screen recording on my phone. If not, we're going totally ghetto. I will show you the process, because basically you have like a this or that. It's not like you have like full access to everything. It's basically a this or that for 3 products. There are also add-ons that have a range of prices from sample size to full size products. It's a really good deal. And then if you keep an eye on the website and the apps for flash sales, that happens at least once a month, and you can get some mad deals on that. I'm only trying on a few products for this. I'm gonna jump right into the first product. So Boxycharm sends you like this little postcard thing with all of your information on it. Well, with Ipsy, I just pull up the app on my phone. It has all of the information right there, and it saves paper. I'm going to be setting my face because I am fully foundationed and concealed and all this shit. But I have the Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Setting Powder in Translucent. This retails for $34. Translucent flashback free powder diffuses light to boost radiance while setting your makeup for all day wear. Amazonian clay helps blur lines and large pores, mattify skin, lock your foundation and concealer for hours. It does have an included puff that you can use, or you can use a powder brush. I am going to be using this cute little thing just because I want to. Really cute, compact, with like a little mirror. I have a complaint already, and it's basically it's nice that you have a mirror, but there is no protection from product to mirror. That's unfortunate. It is a nice powder though, but it's just packaging wise. Chances are, so I'm using the mirror right now just for a full vibe. I'm not gonna use the mirror, so I'm not that upset about it. I just question why they decided to make it that way. But there's a spongy screen that is separating the powder, the bulk of the powder in the container. This is a really beautiful finish, and I do like this little poof. For the next step, I do have a powder brush that I could have used, but my plan with that is to diffuse full bronzer, blush, just diffuse the face. That is what is going to be next. And then I'll jump into the products that I'm not using. Wow, this is seriously one of the best setting powders I've used. All right, I'll see y'all for the next step. All right, I am ready for some diffusion with this new powder brush by Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush, retailing at $35. Pro quality brush. Makes applying your blush, bronzer, and setting powder easier than ever. Fluffy dome-shaped brush picks up and deposits the perfect amount of powder for quick, even application. I guess I could have used bronzer with this, but that's okay. Use it to dust face powder all over, sweep bronzer, blush across your cheeks, blah, blah, blah. Vegan, cruelty-free, eco-friendly. Yeah, I just wanted to basically use it for my regular diffusion. I will say I am having a moment of disappointment with the setting powder, because as I was applying my bronzer today, it is already starting to break apart up top. I definitely will be trying the setting powder with a brush, maybe this one, maybe a different one, I don't know. I really like this brush. Really nice brush for sure. Maybe it'll act different if it's applied a little bit differently, I'm not sure. So the few products that I am not using today, but that did come with my glam bag, I have a Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion Exfoliator. This retails for $58. Pore purifying treatment uses ultra fine crystals to buff away dead skin cells, improve texture, and deep clean pores. Salicylic acid dissolves oil and buildup and helps prevent blackheads and breakouts. Okay, gently massage onto damp skin, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinse. Cruelty free. I will not be trying this for a little bit. I actually have an exfoliator open already, so as soon as that one is in my empties, I will be trying this. So this is basically going into backup. And then something that I've used quite a bit. This is the Perlice Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer, retailing at $45. I've used this quite a bit. I'm not gonna go into it. We've talked about it quite a bit on this channel. I think I've gone through at least 2 of those. Definitely 1, maybe 2. I was able to redeem points. So every time you review a product, you get points. There's other things you can do to redeem points. If someone uses your affiliate link, you get extra points, blah, 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 like refer a friend, all that crap. I was able to redeem a full-size cleanser. I did use 1 or 2 sample sizes of this. This is the Perlice Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. This is just over 5 ounces. So I will see you for the last step and final look. For the last product, I have a lip product. Haha. So this is the House Laboratories, Jesus Christ, La Riot Lip Gloss in Scream. Retailing at $18. Created by Lady Gaga, of course. Super excited for that, just because. Hydrating burgundy lip gloss, perfect complement for your fall looks. I really, really wish, I'm extremely hopeful that this is gonna be like really freaking solid, and I wish I would have had this when I filmed one of my follow week videos. Light reflecting pearl pigments give lips mirror-like shine without feeling gooey or sticky, blah, blah, blah. That was sexual. Man, this is really nice for a gloss, and I love Lady Gaga. I want like a matte liquid lip. Ooh, okay, we done. We have reached the end of this video. Thanks for sticking around. Wow, as a reminder, my Ipsy referral link will be in the description box if you are curious to try Ipsy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, help a sister out. Be ready for follow week coming soon, October 26th through the 31st. 6 days, 6 different fall and Halloween makeup looks posted each day, including a video. So be sure to be following me on my socials to get the first frickin' peek. There will be a few more spoilers released before then. But yeah, let's get hype. It's coming really soon. It's practically biting at our cankles. Anyway, until the next one.